Well, a beautiful sunset over the Allegheny River tonight, courtesy of Dennis Lane and the KDKA drone team. And it was a fitting end to a sunny, warm day that saw people out and about enjoying the weather. And while we'll get more of that warm air tomorrow, there's a whole lot more coming with it. KDKA First Alert Meteorologist Ray Petelin is tracking strong storms, complete with heavy winds, rain, and thunder. Ray?
Oh, it's going to be a busy afternoon, I'll tell you that. And just know, the moral of this story is going to be that once we hit the afternoon tomorrow, the later it gets, the better your chance for thunderstorms will be. We're looking at scattered strong to severe thunderstorms for the area. That's all the areas shaded in yellow, and that's everyone. So just know we have the chance for gusty winds that get in excess of 58 miles per hour or 60 mile per hour wind gusts if you want to round. And there is the possibility that some of these storms could try to show some rotation. Right now, things are timing out into the afternoon. So we're getting to 2:30. Some maybe isolated showers trying to reach the state line, but the bigger activity is going to start to show up around 3 to 5 o'clock in the northwest and move into Pittsburgh by around 5 o'clock. So you'll see this line pushing in. That'll continue to move through. And I think by about 8, 9 o'clock, this is going to be clearing some of our south and eastern counties. The actual cold front that's driving this is kind of lagging behind that main line of storms. That is scheduled to arrive somewhere around 3 a.m. And after that moves through, we'll bring in some clearing skies for Sunday, and we'll get back into some sunshine, although our temperatures will be a little cooler. We'll only make it into the low 60s for highs, which is still a fine temperature. But it is tomorrow, a KDKA First Alert Weather Day, because of the strong to severe thunderstorms that are going to be scattered around when this line comes closer and closer to us. The timing right now is between 2 and 11 p.m. as we showed you. Maybe 2 o'clock, isolated shower thunderstorm up to the northwest, moving southeast, and then the bulk of the activity a little later than that into the evening. Damaging winds are the greatest threats, but when you have ingredients like we do, you can't rule out some rotation in that. So a small threat of a tornado, a small threat of hail, but small threats are something we take very seriously when it comes to severe weather, because while we're going to see scattered areas of thunderstorms pushing out some wind damage, even an isolated tornado is a pretty big deal. So we're going to be watching very closely through the afternoon tomorrow, especially when we're seeing this come through at the peak heating of the day. So tonight, we're going down only a couple degrees. We're looking at 50s and 60s for low temperatures tonight. And then it's going to be very, very warm tomorrow. We're talking mid to upper 70s. And it's that warm air, the humidity that comes with it, the winds, and then the triggering mechanism, which is that cold front coming in from the west, that is going to touch off these storms. So tonight, real quiet, real warm at 60 degrees. We're only going to lose a couple more, and then we get into tomorrow. And while it'll start off quietly and with temperatures making it quickly into the mid-70s, the afternoon, things start to unravel, and that's where we see those thunderstorms. Sunday, clouds will decrease, and we'll get those temperatures up into the low 60s. Warmer Monday, Tuesday, and then after some storms Wednesday, our temperatures cool again.
Ray, thank you.